Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I have another box. This is the September box for Allure, and it is wonderful. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into this with you. First off, they actually give a coupon that once you join, it's a subscription. This box is $29.99 a month. And in this box for September, they actually gave a $10 off coupon where you can join the member store. It doesn't cost anything extra. It's just when you start your subscription, you have access to this member store, which is really good products. And then they also give this leaflet, which I absolutely love. It comes with all the products inside, talks about the benefits, ingredients, how to apply it, and the price point of where it's at. So it's a really good box, and I have to show you, it was a super heavy box, and we're going to get started. The first item I want to cover, this is one that we were allowed to pick a color, and this is Rhodile, very good brand, and this is their blush drops, and I picked the color, oh boy, it is, if I can read it, something, I can't see it, I think it's something pink. Anyways, they had this in neutral and then one for warmer skin tones. So here's the product. It's a liquid blush, and I will apply some. It has a luminous glow, and let's see, this retails, this is the full size, this retails for $55, and it gives a watercolor-like flush. It's buildable, and it has a luminous finish. So I don't know if that's up my alley, but I will try just a tiny bit. I don't want to waste it. Something like this would probably last forever. And here is the color. And so this, it has that almost like highlighting effect to it. And it's very pretty, and it goes on super smooth. Like it's definitely blendable. And I love it. I just am not, I wish it was in a non-shimmery type blush, so then I could use it. This tends to, I have higher cheekbones, and then this just tends to be too bright for me. So I will try. Let me see. I don't know if I'm even supposed to do this, but I want to see what this looks like. On my lip, but it's gonna probably dry down, but it's very almost feels like it has a moisturizing tendency to it. And so this is what it looks like, and it is definitely like a flush, very much like a watercolor effect to it. So I don't know if I'm supposed to use it on my lips, but I did. So anyways, here's the product. It's very nice. Rhodile, I love this company. Any of their skincare, this is the first time I've tried a product that was makeup from Rhodile, but their skincare is amazing. I absolutely love it. I'm using a facial, it has enzymes in it, and it's called vitamin C, and it actually, you leave it on for a couple of minutes, and then your skin, it helps get rid of all the dead skin cells, and it just has a wonderful citrusy scent to it, so I'm happy with that. The second one is by Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter, and I just started using a clear gel brow setter, and I actually like it. It just stiffens up my eyebrows of what I have of them. So, but I hear a lot of good things about the Benefit brow setter. So this is a full size. And this retails for $23. And this is what it looks like. And it looks like it has a flat, actually has a flat side. So I'm wondering if you can laminate, like you can press it down where it leaves more of a laminated effect. I'm sure that you could probably do that. So good product. I'm happy to have that. The Allure, I always get really good boxes from Allure, so I'm happy, super happy with that. Next item, this is amazing. Look how big this bottle is. This is this tube. It's the First Aid Beauty, great brand. This is a $48, 8.5 ounce, is it? 8 ounce. It's the Ultra Repair Cream. And I'm using the Ultra Repair Body Lotion right now, and I love it. I absolutely love it. And so this is the repair cream, and so this would be really nice on my dry patches, my knees, my legs. I tend to get really dry, and then in the winter here it gets super dry. It's arid most of the year, but then in the winter it just gets worse, and it's very windy here. So I can't wait to use this $48 product. So happy. And then number 4, we end up getting 6 products in this box. This, I've never heard of it, but this is a brand called Blossom, and it is a honey infused lip balm. It has manuka honey, coconut oil, beeswax, and marula seed oil. And I watched another video of someone else show this, and it's very creamy. So it's in a stick, and I don't want to touch it because I have like 2. I got a lot that I'm using right now as far as for lip. Oh, and then it has a little cap on top of it. So let's see if we can just get that off. Oh, and this is what it looks like, and it's very soft, so you can see it probably settled and then rehardened up again. So it's probably, I'm sure, an excellent product with what is in it. And I don't wanna touch it. Oop, some came off on the lid. So let's see what this is like. Oh, and it just melts. It almost melts like butter, like how butter does, and you put a little heat on it, and it just, but it still has a little bit of a thickness to it. So let me put that cap back on. So anyways, yeah, I'll try it. So there we go. And so this is a full size. This retails for $12. And item number 5 is the Invisible Dry Shampoo. It's called Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. And this is just a travel size, which is really nice. The full size, let's see what the full size goes for. The full size goes for $15, which is pretty reasonable, and that's like 180 milliliters. This is would be a sixth of that. So, but you probably couldn't touch it under $5. But anyways, yeah, nice dry shampoo, and let's see what this scent is like. And it smells good. I want to say lemony, very fresh. Yeah, so freshen up. That's the appropriate name for this, and it is. It's very fresh and almost like a fresh lemon. Yeah, yeah. So anyways, like lemonade. So I like that. It's not sweet in any way. And the last item is by Tree Hut. This is called BDY by Tree Hut. It's the Body Serum Mist. And as you know, oh, and then you can tell there's some separation there. So you do have to shake it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it must be like an oil. I'm not sure. So Tree Hut, everyone loves the body scrubs by Tree Hut. They're just amazing. So this one, it says it's like a face mist, but for your body, and it has squalane, niacinamide in it, and it's supposed to hydrate and brighten. So let's try this and see what this is like. Let me spray it over this way. And that is wonderful. And it's very light. I can't explain it. It's just a nice scent. So, but it's super light. So I don't know if it's going to dry down and have that scent. So we'll see here and see if that has any type of scent to it. So anyways, you also get something else inside here. I think it's for Factor, and it's for meals. And then you have your coupon for Allure. And so I'm really happy with this. So I have the Rhodile here. Those are the blush drops. And the Brow Setter by Benefit. And the First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Body Cream. And Blossom, the Honey Lip Balm. The Eva Dry Shampoo. And the Body Mist by Tree Hut. And so, yeah, what a great box. I'm like really happy with this box. That retails, and it's just a very light scent. Back to my arm, it dried down, and it's very faint. So it's probably more for just hydrating, feeling good, kind of just freshening yourself up. And that's nice. So I totaled everything up in the box, and I had gotten a price for about $163 worth of product, and that is amazing. That's $163 for $29.99 on my monthly. And so I love it. I love Allure, and I look forward to this box every month. So hopefully, if you guys aren't signed up, I don't get paid, for this. This is just my opinion. But if you're not signed up, Allure is probably one of the best, monthly boxes. That's the one, I really, really look forward to getting. I think every month I've had, I was not disappointed. Every month has been good. I've been very happy. So anyways, I hope you have a good night, and I'll see you on my